It's here. We're back again. We're back again for another unboxing. I'm sat at the desk currently, as you can see, because I need to find some floor space, basically. Just want to say thank you to everybody who's liked and subscribed and who's left comments. For the people who have left comments, I shall get back to you very soon. Thirdly, it wouldn't be the same without a good cup of tea. Cheers. Now, onto the main point of this video. Obviously, it's the unboxing, but it's more where I got them from. As you know, and if you don't know, Hattons, which is if not the biggest or one of the biggest model shops in the UK, is closing down. That's right, you heard me correctly. After 77 years, that's right, 77 years of trading, they've decided to shut their doors. They are not insolvent or anything like that. They are wanting to make sure all their suppliers are paid off and everything. So, unfortunately, I wish this unboxing was on better times, but let's see what I got. The most satisfying bit. Right, what do we have? Sorry for what you see around you, if you can see that is. It's obviously, everything's a work in progress. Now, for the last Hattons haul that I got, I thought I'd go out with a little bit of a bang, and hence the size of the box, I decided to buy not one, but 10 JHA from Dapol. I bought 10 of those because, as you know, I'm after a full-length train, and unfortunately, when you usually see these wagons, dare I say it, you see it in a jumbo train. So unfortunately for me, it means I have to do some spending. Usually a jumbo train with which is usually behind a class 59, contains usually 30 plus wagons, usually 40, maybe up to 46 wagons. So I think the heaviest trains usually run about 4,500, 4,600 tons each. So I've already got seven of these. So that's another 10. So that's 17 of those. But I also have, hold on. I also brought, now these were second hand. As you know, Accurascale aren't, as of the moment, aren't making any PTA wagons. So the ones that I'm finding are second hand. So this beautiful set is, it's not the British steel, just to clarify. Is the Foster Yeoman outer pack. Now you want to see it on the track, so here we go. We're on the track. We're on the track, and I do find, I think this is more how they are packaged from the Dapol factory, that the plastic that they're wrapped up in does has a habit of pulling the outer handrails off. That one's fine. So this one is hiding from me. So it's hiding at the other end. He obviously didn't get on well with the other handrail, so he decided to hang around up this end. So I'm going to have to sort that out. I did find it with another one as well. There you go, this one. So that one I'll have to glue in. And this is how freely they run. I'm going to do a quick wagon weigh-in. So might be better if I actually turn the scales on. There we go, 0. So I'll do a Tilcon wagon. Some of these, actually, that's quite a light one, actually. I think some of them are a little bit heavier. It's 152 grams. Now this is a heavyweight, I tell you. That is 64, it can't make up its mind, 264 grams. And in comparison, this is obviously the PTA from Accurascale, a measly 88 grams. But they do run very, very smoothly, as I shall now demonstrate. What do we have? So the wagons, all the wagons that I got that were Dapol are all inner wagons. I have one outer wagon that I brought in my little previous haul from Hattons. I do need another one because I need one to connect to the loco with a conventional coupling and buffers. I technically probably don't have to have it to connect to the rest of the wagons because the PTA wagons are knuckle couplings, but they usually run in packs of 5. But I can probably maybe not worry about that because again, that's going to be about 40-50 quid. Pricing, so I got all of these, where's my sheet? I got all of these for, so the Dapol wagon, so there's 2 types. We have 19354 and 19375. I'm getting if that means anything to you. They're two different numbers. So the first number I mentioned, there was 3 of those in stock, so I had all 3 of them. The second number had 7 in stock, and I brought all 7. And each one of them they put it down to £31.80. That's right, £31.80. So it just seems silly not to buy it. You only got to buy them once. It's not like, you know, every 6 months I've got to buy more wagons and more wagons. So I've only got to buy it the once. Now the PTA wagons, so the Foster Yeoman PTA wagons from Accurascale, now they're a second hand, and that is an outer packet. I do have some more inner packets, but that's going to be another unboxing because I've got a mega haul of Accurascale, as you saw in the unboxing part. And so they usually retailed when they were brand new at £100 and £150, I think. So now they're not making it or anything like that. So some of them are selling them for quite high. I think on eBay, some of them are going for over £200. So like I've said before, if you only need the 1 packet just to finish off a freight train, then I'll probably happily pay it, but not for the amount of wagons I want. But this packet here from Hattons was 172. So with the outer packet, obviously with the PTA wagons, you do get a beautiful tail lamp. There we go. It's not currently on at the moment. And obviously the usual Accurascale quality, fit and finish. And like I say, this was a second-hand model, and as of the moment I can't find any fault with it whatsoever. I mean, it did say as new. So, and the advantages with these, the advantages, you do get a chain, you get a little hook as well, so you can place it obviously in there, but I personally think that it probably won't be able to take the weight of the train if I did glue it in. It needs to be a little bit longer, I think, to go through the chassis, and then maybe put like a split pin through it to stop it from coming out. Obviously you have extra air pipes as well to add for the extra detailing. And with the last Dapol wagon, one with buffers and a conventional coupling, you also have a chain and hook as well. And it's the same scenario, it just gets glued in. So whether it could take the weight of a train, a full length train, I don't know, probably not. So, and obviously various air pipes as well. Obviously with the Dapol, obviously it's their usual quality. And other than how some of them are packaged, well, they're all packaged like that, but obviously the handrail just gets slightly knocked off. It is what it is. But that's it. that is all the wagons I got. I did add obviously another one because I've added the one with the buffers. There you go. And technically I would be needing, so what, a few more of these. So I've got 10, so I need 7. I need another 10, well, three more of these, so that'll be 20 altogether. And I do have more of these, but I'll do them in another unboxing. So I'm not going to go down to my brothers to run them around, so sorry about that. That will be for another unboxing, for a bigger unboxing. It's sad. It is sad to hear about Hattons. I mean, obviously, you know, let us know in the comments. Let us know in the comments what you've brought and things like that, or even over the years. You know, just let us know. It's sad. It's sad to hear, but it's just the signs of the times that even big companies, you know, can end up shutting their doors. I mean, my brother, he's brought absolutely loads from there, or almost as much as me. He's brought the 66. I think it was a C-Mex 66. He's brought loads of the war flats, or was it the well wagons, the war ones, and he's brought loads of the container wagons as well. So it is a shame, but you know, thank you for everything, Hattons. You know, you've supplied the nation well. So on that bombshell, if you've liked the video, please like, subscribe, and until next time, thank you so much for watching. See you later.